Woody! Woody, I bet you can't catch me. I bet you can't catch me. Hey, slow down. Come on, girl. Come on. Come on, this way. Come on, this way. Let's go this way. Fine, up. Mom. Hey, Mom. Mom. Fine, up. Stay.
You hear that? What is it? It's making a sound.
What is it?
Is there a cricket or a grasshopper in there going night night?
Night night.
Mm-hmm.
He's probably sleeping. Maybe he hears us and wake up.
Wake up. Oh, oh.
Pretty?
Butterflies, but there's a little more.
Hello.
Y'all ready to walk back?
Hello.
Ready?
Woody, want a new walk? Want to walk? Just walk. No.
No, you having fun? Lizzie's so sleepy and she's doing so good.
Okay.
Open door. Open door. Open door.